Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. This is Kadir Khan from First Choice Students Academy, Pernapet. It was very exciting and motivating to hear that NEET 2021 date has been announced recently. That is, it is going to be conducted on September 12th. So all of you are aware of this. And moreover, a new pattern have been announced by NTA. New pattern has been announced for NEET 2021. This is the first time it is happening. According to our old pattern, what is the criteria is we have to let it be physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, where together you have to answer 180 questions. That is 45, 45, 45, and 45. And all of you know the marks criteria, that is 4 marks each. So it comes for 720 marks. So now what is new in this new pattern of NEET 2021? Here, instead of 180 questions, this year it is going to be 200 questions will be asked. That is 50 from chemistry, 50 from physics, 50 from botany, 50 from zoology. Now, but you're going to answer 180 questions only. How? This time the paper is divided into section A and section B, where 35 questions are compulsory. This 35 you have to answer it compulsory, whereas in section B there are 15 questions, out of which you have to answer 10 questions. Here lies the secret of this option. You have to answer 10 questions. So again, if we combine this, it comes 45 questions per subject. Again, same 4 marks for negative answer -1, and again the total will be 720 marks. But one major difference is we have how many minutes? 180 minutes. So here we are not calculating exact time what we are doing for exam, because 15 minutes will definitely go for writing for marking your names and different things which is required. So what is the time left we have? 165 minutes. And what is the difference? Until last year we had only 180 questions to read, but now you have to read 200 questions, but you're answering just 45. That is not 50, but 50 questions has been given, you are answering only 45. No doubt it is only 45, but we definitely read the questions, right? Hence we are reading 200 questions, and the time will be, we are having just 165 minutes. That is, we get only 45 seconds to answer each question. Hence, I request all the students, that is aspirants and future doctors, to please practice more mock test in OMR sheets, because 15 minutes will definitely go for your name and other things to be marked. It's not easy. And we are left with how many minutes? 165. In that we are reading 200 questions, and we have to answer 180. That is, I repeat, section A, let it be any subject, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, 35 questions compulsory you have to answer from section A. And section B, there will be 15 questions given, out of which 10 questions you can answer. This is the new pattern of NEET 2021. Might be because due to different boards have some reduced syllabus, might be because of that this section has been added to make it easy for students. I don't want to comment on all these things, but I request students to please visit all the questions. Which is the best one? You please answer. It has not given that if it is 15 questions, out of 15 we have 10 questions, we can mark one more. No, please don't do that. If you don't mark, that is fine, because you can answer, you are leaving the answer, it's your choice. But what I feel is, don't answer extra in section B. If it is 10, it should be 10. On this, further clarification will be done, I believe. Hence, students, please be time bound. You can use a stop clock, a stopwatch, when you are attempting even mock test, please make sure that you are getting only 45 seconds per question. So please revise daily, concentrate, and best of luck from our side. Thank you.